So Santa talked to us about what the reindeer like to eat, and he told us they like oats. One of the traditions that we have in our family is to make reindeer food that we will get ready to sprinkle outside on Christmas Eve. And the food is for them to smell so they can find our house, with a little bit of sparkle so that they can see where our house is when they're looking down from the sky. So what we need are some oats and some shiny sprinkles. Take a plastic bag, and you can scoop in some oats. They look like this, like we have for oatmeal or oatmeal cookies. I usually put in about 2 scoops. This is a 1/4 cup scoop. Put that in your bag. Now here comes the fun part. Find the shiniest sugar sprinkles that you can and shake some in the bag. I'm going to try some red. I'm going to put in a little bit of the green. And then my favorite, the gold. Great big shake. Whoa, that was a lot of sparkle. Zip up the top and shake, shake, shake. Then this will be ready for you to take out at night. But while you're waiting, it would be really nice to put it in a fun little container to sit up on your counter while you're waiting for Christmas Eve. So to make that, we're just going to use a brown paper lunch bag. Take your lunch bag, and we're going to need to make some antlers. So you can make a template out of plate paper, put it on your brown paper, and trace it with a pencil. Very simple. And then use your scissor to cut it out. And just go round and around. Nice little reindeer antlers. Beautiful. And you'll have to make one more. Sometimes when I'm making it, I fold the paper in half and do the template and cut 2 out at one time. Makes it a little easier. So take your plastic bag, put it inside your brown paper lunch bag, and we're going to fold the top. We're going to fold from the top corner over on a diagonal, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. So it looks like a triangle. Then fold that all the way over, and where the point is here, you can either use a red sticker or just cut a circle out of red construction paper. And then glue that flap down on the lunch bag. The next thing that you'll do is we'll need to put on some eyes. I'm using stickers, but again, you could always cut the circles out of construction paper. So we'll put 2 eyes on, the white part of the eye. Oh, my nose popped off. I'll just lower it a little. And another white circle for the eyes. And then the black center part. Then with a little bit of glue, I put on the antlers. And an antler on each side, and this is what your little bag will look like. So on Christmas Eve, before you sleep, go outside and take a peek. Can you see them? Are they near? If not, don't worry and have no fear. This little bag is all you need. It's full of magic reindeer feed. Sprinkle on your lawn at night. It will help the reindeer as they take flight. As Santa's reindeer fly and roam, this magic feed will help lead them to your home. So have fun making this magic reindeer food, and if you'd like a copy of this poem, just stop by at any of the Citrus County libraries and they'll be glad to give you a copy.